Good morning, everyone. It is June 12th here at KIT Iizuka, second period. This is English 2C. So a couple of things that I want to go over with you. One, to start the day after I do this explanation in English, I want to download a new piece of software called, where is it? There it is, Counter. And I have these links available for you. One is for your iPhone, or if you have an Android, you can bring that down. Now, we're not going to be using that today, but probably next week, I want to show you how I want to use this. Okay, so I want to make sure that everybody has a chance to download it before we use it next week. So that will be the first thing we do. That'll be software downloads in the first section here on the sidebar under the general sort of information. Now, last week was June 5th. And that was our midterm test. And I wanted to show you the results of the test. So that's why I'm doing this on the computer right now. So here are the results of the test. Well, as you can see here, 3, maybe 5 people kind of didn't do that well. I don't know if it was the listening. One of those people might have been someone who didn't hear very well on their earphones. But in general, okay, even if you include this area, most people were around 75%, 80%. Another good bunch were 85 to 90%. And one person got better than 90%. So that's pretty good. So if you don't look too much over here, this is actually a pretty good distribution. This is the normal sort of performance that you can expect from a midterm test. That's not bad at all. And if you look at, I have an image from last year. Last year, the performance was actually more towards, make that a bit bigger. This is last year. Last year, a lot more people got a higher grade, but the test was a little easier last year. Last year, it didn't have as many questions, and I've changed a few of the questions because you shouldn't have most people over here at 95%. It should be like what you guys are doing. So you guys did as you should, okay? This shows me that the test last year was a little too easy, okay? Now, this week, okay, we'll be warming up using the shadowing material here. And let's see here. These are the answers from your Chapter 7 homework answers. That was the homework that you had the week before the midterm test. And you have another homework submission this week. This is the page range here, page 50 to 51. And your weekly reflection. This one isn't a video. It's just a question, okay? What do you think you need to do to improve your own English fluency? Now, you should be writing at least 3 to 5 sentences, okay? That's one paragraph. So some of you are writing very, very short sentences. I must work hard. English is difficult. You can write more than that, okay? So try to write as much as you can. Try to write one paragraph, 3 to 5 sentences at least, okay? If you have any questions, remember, my email is always here. jdmcruz at, there it is, jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come talk to me here in class. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.